So that was the gap that I had to figure out, was how am I going to fill that gap. So it's late September, early October, through March, April, that I didn't really have fruit. So I really had to think about like how I could create that. Because really in a food forest garden, you want to have year-round fruit. You want to have, it's your grocery store out there in the garden. And so I decided I was going to plant some citrus. So I planted 2 mandarins. I have one in the ground and one in a pot. I planted an improved Meyer lemon, which is in a pot. I planted a bear's lime, which is in a pot. They do citrus. You can grow citrus in pots. You know, it works really well. I do have some in the ground, but I also have quite a few in pots. And then I added the pineapple guavas. So I had a pineapple guava that I added, and those ripen in October. And then I had a roommate that moved here for a while, and he said he had a pineapple guava tree and he wanted to give it to me. And I was like, that's cool. So he brought that when he moved here and he planted it for me, and it actually was a pretty good sized tree already. And so I actually have 2 pineapple guavas, and they're different types. The one that he gave me gets taller, and the fruit is more like oblong. And then the one I already had gets to be about 5 feet by 5 feet, and the fruit is more roundish. And they don't both produce at the same time. The larger one produces a lot, and then the other one kicks in. So it's, anyway, planting all of that, the citrus and the guavas, really made a difference, because it closed that gap. And a lot of that food that is happening during that time now, since I closed that gap, is full of vitamin C. Yeah, all the citrus, the limes, the lemons, the mandarins, all of it is full of vitamin C. And it's great. So yeah, I just wanted to share that with you, because it is possible to close that gap. It depends on your region, of course, and I'm in California 9B, so yeah, I could do it here. And yeah, so anyway, I wanted to share that with you, and I will see you next time. And if you don't have year-round, I think if you live between zone 8 and zone 10, and you can grow citrus. I'm just going to pan around and show you. Show you the garden. My fig tree way up there is like way above my roof line. We're going to have to bring it down a little. Oh. It's nice and shady here. That's my lemon, that green bush in the middle. It's thriving in a pot. There's plenty to do here. Hope you enjoyed the garden.